Welcome to Epcot and welcome to Journey of Water, inspired by Moana. This will actually be open by the time you see it. However, at the moment it is in preview, so we've managed to use a reserve to come in here and have a look around. I can't wait. It looks really, really cool and interactive. So that's where we're heading now. Join us as we go into the Journey of Water. Welcome to the all-new Journey of Water, inspired by Moana. So it is quite a hands-on experience as you go through. The water is collected from the ground and other bits and pieces as well, so don't drink it. So as you go through the water, that's insanely clever, isn't it? It really is insanely clever. Okay, I'll do it again. It's unbelievable, and absolutely unbelievable. That's the kind of interaction you want when you come into things. And there's plenty here as well. You've got people walking around, but they're all the same. They all do exactly the same thing. So subtle music, beautiful scenery. There we go, it's a stream. So this is all hand gestured. Alright. And then as you wave, it goes off with it. That's insane, isn't it? That's just so cool. And you can see everyone else enjoying it as well, look.
That's so cool.
Absolutely incredible how that works. Simple things like this probably didn't cost too much to put together, to be honest. Right, over to the spring. Higher, higher. How high can it go? It can go higher than me. And then as you lower, you get absolutely soaked, but it will come down to your level. That's incredible, isn't it? Simple things, really is simple things, but that is incredible. So simple, look, it feels so simple. The fact it kind of reuses the water is amazing. Right, so you now have the dry path and the wet path. So if you walk at a good enough pace, it will clear as you walk through. If you run through it, you will get wet. Are we ready? Oh, that's incredible. You've got to have trust in it. You've definitely got to have trust in it. I got wet foot. You know how I feel about wet feet, but honestly, right, over to the lake. Wow. Just looks incredible. That just looks incredible. When you're standing here now, I know you can see the spaceship Earth in the background. When you're standing now, I mean, it's just so tranquil. It doesn't feel like you're anywhere really. And you know, let's not forget all this. It's chasing. Just fabulous, absolutely fabulous. It really, I don't say it about Disney, but it transforms you into a completely different world. It really does. Just beautiful. Even though we've got to experience things, and I hope you've enjoyed it in this video. We would have done a vlog for the park as well, and you'll be able to see any other adventures, but that is just fantastic. Right, we've got a little bit left yet. We're not quite out. So this is the big arm gesture one. Getting absolutely soaked. Alright, let's walk around a bit. Just insane, absolutely insane. Right, away from that, these it's flashing from over here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Good drum. There we go. You jump on a pad. Oh, it's simple. These are insane. These just sort of hit the water, so you're going to get wet as you walk through this. Oh! Oh! Of course, take your life in your own hands going in there. I won't be going in there. I don't particularly want wet feet for the day. But just look at it. And then we finish off with sky, got a lovely mist. Which we were also greeted when we walked in, to be honest, as you exit Moana. And that is Journey of Water, inspired by Moana. There we go, that was Moana. Or Journey of Water, inspired by Moana, but really I'd call it Moana themed. That is incredible, absolutely incredible. Now I'm sure there's a lot of money and technology gone into that, and yet it seems really, really simple, guiding you through the Journey of Water, through different sort of, you know, the piano playing at the beginning with when you put your hands through the water and it breaks a tune. Ah, it's incredible. You've then got a lot of interactive features using jumping, waving your hands in the air, you know, moving left and right, and the water displays are something else. They really are something else. It's just beautiful in there. The music complements it perfectly. The scenery is just stunning, and you know, the interactivity is good as well, because you know, as you can imagine, at the moment it's in preview, but when it's open there's going to be lots and lots of people in there trying to do things, but there's plenty of space for everyone to go in and do it. My favourite bit has to be the big waterfall. That was just stunning. You raise your arms up, it comes splashing over. You're going to get a bit wet. You know, you've got to have trust. I know with the rain curtain, I've seen people before when it was open for the press part run through it and then wonder why it doesn't stop. You've got to have a little bit of trust to go through it. Absolutely blown away by it. And it goes to show you don't need to have a ride or sit on something or be strapped in seatbelt something to have a good time and enjoy it. That would work anywhere, on any kind of weather, on any kind of day. Loved it, loved it. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm sure you've seen a bit of Journey of Water already, but that's our venture through it. We've been lucky enough to get here, lucky enough to get in it before it opens, as it's open for preview, and we absolutely loved it. Have you been in it? If you haven't been in it, are you planning on coming out here and going on it? If you're in the US, have you been on it already? Let us know in the comments below. But thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.